Probably. So I'm here in my kitchen with my husband on Thursday morning.
You gotta get out of the way.
What's the date today? February 9th? February 9th we are having a blizzard. What do you think?
No, it's not a blizzard.
It is a blizzard.
It's not officially a blizzard. It's just a snowstorm.
Oh.
How many inches did we get?
What are they saying now?
12 to 16?
12, 16 to 18.
16, 18 inches.
Or 12
to 18, not 12 to 18.
And then like they don't really know exactly. It's kind of, you know, like with thunderstorms, you don't know where the worst of it's going to hit in pockets. And my sensor is on for the lovebirds. And it's annoying, a very crispy English muffin.
The lovebirds give me a stroke.
Oh. Wow. A little bit too crispy.
Yeah, that's why I said, do you want one of these other ones?
It tastes like a crouton.
If I put the egg on there, it would soften it up a little.
Yeah, no, this won't get soft because it's like, I'll make another one later.
There's another one in there. If you did put butter on it, I would eat it.
It's okay. So yes, we're having a snowstorm. Everything's canceled. John's work is canceled. I have to take the dog out, and yeah, that look at it. I don't want to go out there. Look.
Oh, you're a tough New Englander. Don't be such a wuss.
It's not about being tough. I just don't want to get cold. So, this is the state of the deck at this moment. Henry, if you bark, you're gonna make the birds sing. You're giving the master a headache.
What? Oh, fucking birds. Where's the baseball bat? Do I have a baseball
What's
bat?
it doing outside?
It's snowing.
What was it doing 10 minutes ago?
It's snowing.
What's it going to be doing in 10 minutes from now?
It's gonna be snowing. Okay, the dog is now walking with his legs crossed. Okay, can you please take him out before he makes a deposit in the house?
Okay, Henry. You're on. Can I wear your boots?
Can you wear my boots?
Yeah.
Yeah, just bring them back and...
Come on, Henry. Go potties. Wow. This is heavy snow. Come on. Come on, hurry up. You're going to have to go. Oh my goodness, it's already too deep for him. You're going to have to just go right here. Come on, go pee-pees. Wow, it's freezing out here. Come on, Henry, hurry up. Come on. Oh no, my mitten fell. Go. He's running away from me, way over there. Henry, come back! Come back! Come back! There he goes. In about 5 seconds, he's going to get so cold, he's going to turn around and come back. Oh my God. Henry. Go poops. Hurry up. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I think I have to just let him run. It's so thick. It's like, come on, follow mommy. Back to the house, to the fire, to the fire. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of snow. Look at the table down there. He's kind of fussy today. We fixed up our tree. He appreciated that. He put the green thumbprints. He let me do that. I was just going through my paints because some of them are empty and dried out. But I did the red and then he did the pink. See? Isn't this pretty? And then we put glitter all over it. And right about when we were finishing, he decided it was a good time for him to start biting his hand and getting like this. So we're fussy. Okay, all right. So Daddy just started this shoveling. Yeah. The heavy snow fell most of the morning. Now it's drifting. But it's like thick, heavy snow. When I took Henry out this morning, it was really hard to for him to get through it. Now, forget it. He won't. It's over his head. We need to make a path for him. And he has to go out, but I'm just going to wait a little while. Oh, sweetheart, I know. You look at this, guys. You know what? You're going to have to wait just a couple minutes, honey. Mommy has to put boots on. I always have good intentions. I have like a list of ideas. Okay, let's do this. Let's do that. Earlier, you know what I was doing? I was walking in circles around the house. We're going in here. We're going down here. We were looking out the window. We were playing piano. We're going back out. And he is just not wanting to get Daniel back to his bed, put him on something happy. I have a feeling, since he was up at like 5, that he's really tired and will probably take a nap. So that would be fine. He can do that. Look, there's this new picture we did. We're adding to it, little by little, right? You're so cute. You with your bear that Sarah got you from Ireland? Yeah? I put on Ratatouille. You like Ratatouille?
Although each of the world's countries would like to keep this fact in French cooking, the best food in the world is made in France. The best food, of course, is made in Paris.
Wow, look at all the snow up there. Really not sure where you're gonna go pee. There's not many places here, bud. It's pretty deep. So what do you think? 15 inches? And, oh, he's got his headphones on.
What?
The new jeans? They fit good? It's really, really cold and windy, like bitter. Oh. I don't know what to do with the dog. The snow is too deep. Don will come around after he's done. He's snow blowing at my neighbor's house way over there. See the like yellowish house next door? He takes care of her. She's 80. So good. He's such a good man. He always makes sure she's shoveled out first. But then he'll make a path for Henry, but usually that's the last thing he does. So Henry needs to just pee here. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, it is, huh? The cars. Oh, Henry, wait. Oh my goodness, Henry, you're gonna go for it. You're gonna get lost. Oh my gosh. It's too deep for you, buddy. He doesn't want to go in. Move, Henry. Come on. Over here. Stay on this side. One little loop here. So, snow's really heavy. Go, go, go. Run, run, run. Get you. Get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. It's just like a little. I see the little. Get you, get you. Yeah. Adorable. Yeah. That wind is cold. It's just, I need the snowblower. This is too shovel around the yard. Alright, easy does it. Don't hurt yourself. Thanks for shoveling. 6:30? Look at John, still outside. A lot of snow out there. Look at this guy. Bring me upstairs. Come on. Upstairs. Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Just got Dad. Daddy's still outside, you know. This guy's gonna freeze to death. He needs to come in. Look at you. Well, it's time for bath. You want to have a bath?
Nobody reads this whole thing. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure they read the blog.
You hear Thomas playing downstairs? Huh? The moon's out. Wow, it's freezing. Come on, Henry. There's snow. So, I'm guessing, how deep do you think that is? Foot-ish? 1.5 feet, about? Maybe? Come on this way. He gave us extra coupons. So it was like jeans, dress pants, khakis, a tie, and 2 jammy pants for $94. That was amazing. But we were able to squeak out a pair of boots